So this is what I'm working on today. Friend's Mercedes S550. Done it in the past. Just adding some Alpine stuff. Processor, 2 amps. Actually, the 5-channel I'm probably not using because I already have 4-channel in here. Another Alpine amp. Back door taken apart. We're utilizing that mount for the new Polk speakers that are going in. Just revamping it a little bit. This one's actually got factory screen, and on the factory screen in the glove box we have a Raspberry Pi and also have a Chromecast, so he can watch videos, downloads, do whatever he wants in there. And then in the trunk we got a single 12 that we did a while ago. So what I'm going to end up doing is building out the side panels now or something else to get the processor and the amplifiers controlling the system. And the other benefit of the Alpine processor is it's going to add Bluetooth to this car, so he can actually have a good Bluetooth connection for his audio for his phone. On the Mercedes, got all the wiring for the processor in there, factory amplifier integration. If you notice, the second plug is unplugged, and that's all of the surround, center channel, and everything else that we're not actually going to be using on this. We're going to get better sound out of the system without utilizing the Logic 7 side of the system. And then on this side, all pre-wired for amplifier back to the battery. Not my favorite spot for fuse location because that means I got to take the panel off to get to them if something happens to go wrong. But yeah, had to move that module behind and get rid of the one bracket there to make room for the amp rack, which coming in the future here. Okay, got the Mercedes all done. Alpine processor installed. Polk audio mids and highs all installed. Sub in the port through. Just real nice, neat and clean. This is more of that Raspberry Pi I was telling you about. So he's actually got a Chromecast in there and a Raspberry Pi. Basically just on the screen. Go to video. There's the Chromecast up right now. Back to audio. And then I actually hid the Alpine controller in the sunglass holder. It makes it easy. I'll show you the trunk. A little flickering from the LEDs, but you can get to see it. There's a blue razor line around the acrylic. Alpine amps wrenched in. On this side, got the processor. Just real nice, neat and clean. How it looks.